Welcome back. We're almost done with our register page. The only thing we need to do is we need to do some input validation, and going to be introducing context API so we can connect the register page to our backend. So for now, let us do some input validation. Const like that. Okay. If we don't have a first name, if we don't have a first name or a last name or an email or a password or a confirmed password, we're gonna send please fill all fields. Let's remove one. Okay. And then we're gonna return, because if we don't hit return here, it's just gonna continue with whatever logic is at the end. Okay, so if our password does not equal our confirmed password, we're going to do alert passwords do not match. For now, we're using alert, but later on we're gonna introduce React Toastify, so that way a little friendlier pop-up shows up. Okay. So okay, let's test password 123. So just so you see visually, okay, our password is not the same as our confirmed password. So this should not be triggered, but this will. Passwords do not match. Perfect. Okay. In the event that our passwords match, we're gonna get registration successful. Oh, forgot to save. Registration successful. Perfect. Okay. Now, perfect segue for us to connect our. Now we have to. We're done with the register page. We just now have to create the bridge between the front end and the back end, and we're gonna do that with context API. So we're going to, in our source folder, we're going to create a folder. Let's call that context. We're also going to create context action. So let's do context action JS. What are we going to need? We're going to need a register success. We're going to need a register fail. Whoops. We're going to need a export const login success, login fail. We're gonna need logout. We're gonna need export const. We're gonna need auth error. We're gonna need export const. We're going to need clear errors. To that, for our blog, I'm just creating everything on our context action types, so that way I don't have to come back to this file. So const new blog success, export new blog fail, get blog success, get blogs fail, let's call it blogs fail, so that way, okay, minimize. Let's export const update blog success, export const blog delete, blog delete, and also export const get blog by ID. I believe that's it. And yeah. We're gonna keep this video short, and I'll see you in the next one.